we're going to talk about the duct averaging sensors from Belimo, the 01M or the 22M. The 01M is a passive sensor. The one that we're looking at is a 22M, a 22MT, which is temperature, and that's what they're all temperature. Different signals depending upon the model number that we select. This one happens to be a multi-range voltage output. Okay, when I say multi-range, 0 to 5, 2 to 10, or 1 to 10 volts DC as an output. Okay, and the averaging sensor comes in lengths of either 10 feet or 20 feet. The one that we're looking at happens to be a 10-foot averaging bulb. It does come with a clip, to mount a mounting clip to mount the sensor inside the ductwork. The sensor itself is encased in a 4X enclosure. Very easy to get to. The terminations are here. I pull this out, make my terminations, my power terminations, and put this back in. The ranges the multi-ranges are selectable by utilizing one of these jumpers and bringing it over here. The specifics of where we put it will be included in the instructions that come along with the sensor. It does also include a mounting gland, a wire mounting gland, to accommodate the 4X on this enclosure. Very easy to get to, very easy to mount up. It comes with a mounting piece. If I can get this on straight, there it goes. It comes with a mounting piece. This is removable. I would screw that into the side of the duct and then just clip this onto it with the sensor involved. The sensor would go through a hole in the duct and be mounted internally across a coil, zigzagging across a coil to take a good true temperature reading. And this is a true averaging sensor throughout the entire 10 feet of this sensing element, which is extraordinary. Some averaging sensors have 5 points on it, or maybe even as few as 3 points on the sensing element itself. But this averages over the entire length of that sensor. Very economical, labor-saving device when you consider how easy it is to mount, how easy it is to wire, and also comes with its own enclosure.